What's going on YouTube? This your boy Most Incredible back in another video. Ooh, can y'all see it? Ooh, come on, son. There we go. Tire letter time. So you already know what it is. You already know what it's hitting for. I got it all jacked up already. So, which I got it jacked up. I got to take the tires off. I got my acetone somewhere over here. Oh, yep, there you go. Got my acetone ready to go. I'm dropping shit because I'm ready to roll. You got to clean the tires. And I got one off, so you know you got to clean the whole surface of the tires. The whole surface of the tire. I got them off. Got one off. Do y'all see that though? Don't that look nice? Be honest. Without being Brimbro, I got my name instead. That's nice. Focus camera. Don't look at it run, but focus camera. But nah, don't that look nice though? Don't that look nice? Man, that thing is dope, man. That's dope, man. So I got it all jacked up. I'm gonna show y'all one tire of how to do this. Well, I'm gonna show two. I'm gonna show the front and I'm gonna do a drop in the back side of the car. So let's get it. My tire letters from TireStickers.com. They were like 100 and something, 150 bucks. But guess this is where I got my tire letters from. I got the letters on there. I got is Incredible at the top. Then I got Scatpack at the bottom. Incredible Scatpack. I couldn't put most up there because of the fact that it was too long. So I'm still sticking with Most Incredible underscore 392. But I just did most. And then I did Scatpack on the bottom. So first thing you do, you take your acetone. You go to your local Lowe's and get your acetone from your local Lowe's or Ace, or you know what I'm saying. Well, I went to Lowe's and got 2 cans of acetone, and you take it and you clean the surface of your tire. Same thing that they telling you on the on your instructions. The same thing I'm telling you now. You clean it about 10 times till you see no more dirt, no nothing on your tire. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to clean it with my acetone and my rag, and we're gonna get to work. Let's see, got my acetone. I think I poured a little too much. Yep, because it bleed through. That's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I clean it. So now I'm about to come over here and get Incredible. And I'm gonna put it at the top. I'm gonna try to place it first. They said top bottom, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna get ink red, and then I'm gonna place it up there. I'm gonna give y'all a taste of what it's supposed to look like right here. It's not gonna be even all the way around, but this is what it's supposed to look like. And I can tell you right now that it looked 10 times better. Incredible. Oh. Why y'all didn't correct me? Pat Scat. Pat Scat my ass. Get your rear end back over there. Yeah, y'all probably my family, but why y'all ain't remind me? But there we go. I got it back right. So what I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna bring this over some. I don't want it too far up on the ladder, so I'm gonna pull it over this way. Cause Incredible is a very long name. So I still got a bigger of a gap over here. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get it even all the way around. Just to fill in the gap right here and the gap right there. So that way it won't be no problems. So let's stand up and see that. So what I gotta do now, I gotta go back over this way a little bit. Put a gap in between Scatpack. That's right. Because Scatpack is not the whole name of it. So put a... And that's just a snippet of it. That's perfect right there. To me, that's perfect. To y'all, it might not be perfect, but to me, it's perfect. And this is what it's supposed to look like. People, I forgot about y'all. I swear I forgot about y'all. So what I did with that, yo, up under each, well, I did the first 3 letters, then I put it on there. I put the glue on there, put the glue on the back, and I still had it in the plastic, the tape, whatever this is. I just rub it down for 30 seconds to 40 seconds, rub it down, and I still, you know what I'm saying, stays basically still rubbing it down. So I did the first 3. Once I did the first 3, I was good. Then I did the last 2. Then now I'm doing the first 3 on this one too as well. I got a couple of little mistakes like right here with the glue. You know what I'm saying? I'm not perfect. I mean, I'm not gonna pay nobody to do this when I can do it myself. And I don't care. So basically what I'm doing is rubbing it for the 30 to 40 seconds. Make sure it's on there. And make sure that it's even all the way around too as well. I'm not gonna be burning these tires out. I burned my last set out. I ain't burning these out. $500 for some tires? No, not happening. So all I did was peel it. I got a double layer tape on it, must be. See, as you can tell. Yeah. See? That's all I do. And that's one done. Even though I got a little bit of glue over here, there, everywhere it's glue. But look at that. Even on my fingers. But it's all right, but it's good. So now I'm not gonna wait. So you gotta make sure, just go back over and make sure that all your letters are down. See, like right there, I had that R still sticking up. Like, it does nothing to go back over it to make sure that it's good. Like that right there, that K is up a little bit. So just get a little bit of glue, stick it up under there, and keep it going. I'm gonna show y'all. So you see me do one, so you see me do them all. But look at that. What y'all say about that there? I like it. My rims are not plain now, because they look plain before. So now they're not plain. Look at my hands. I did these dirty hands for y'all. These hands are dirty. Let me stop, yo. That was corny as fuck. I know. Shut up. But yo, look at this. Oh my God. These shits are dope, yo. Tyler do make your car look good. Tyler do make your car look good. I'm finally done with it. So let me tell y'all. Got the rims. My OEM are in the little room over there. If y'all want to come take them, y'all can come take them. No, it's fine. Along with my lug nuts. So I had to buy different lug nuts because my OEMs would not fit on here. So lucky enough, Discount Tires had some lug nuts. They're $59. Okay, cool. I'm cool with that. Let me get them so I can put my rims on. So this is it. Final chapter. This shit look dope though. No lie, this shit look dope. This shit look dope. This shit look dope. Some people said, I know some of y'all might say, why you ain't get the lime green? This shit look dope. Forget it. I ain't care about the lime green. Oh, why you didn't get purple? They didn't have purple. Trust me. And I don't think, well, the purple would have showed up on the tires if you look at it now. But they didn't have purple. It would have been a minute for me to get them, but I wanted to get them before this car and coffee that we got this weekend. Look at that. Look at the 275 standing out. Them 275s. Needles, thank you. But I'll burn through them though, but I'm not gonna burn through these. Look at this. That's it, y'all. That's it. That's my baby. And we out. You already know what it is. Nah, you know if now, I'm not gonna say we out. You already know what it is. That's for now on. You already know what it is.